Hi everyone, thanks for jumping on with Team Trobe to join the push-up challenge. I'm going to take you through a few progressions just in case you're all feeling a little bit sore already. So we'll start from the easiest option through to a harder option, and then we'll finish off just with some activation work that we can help balance out your nice sore chest. Alrighty, so first one that you can do, if you're not too familiar with push-ups, you find them hard or you're lacking in upper body strength, you can just start with these. So if you don't have a box at home, that's more than okay. You can just use a lounge or a chair. Starting on your knees, hands should be just past shoulder width and your knee line should be behind your hip line. So from there, you want to be able to get your chest to whatever you're using. So chest to lounge, chest to chair, to keep it nice and consistent over the 3,000 push-ups that you're about to do. From there, if they are way too easy for you, still on an incline up onto your toes, keep your hands in that same position and dropping down. You should be able to get your chest there again. If these are too easy, you can go down onto the ground, starting from our knees again. So knees behind your hip line, your hands should be just past shoulder width and your hands should be about in line with your chin. You can come under a little bit, but it might be a bit more difficult, so take them out in line with your chin. From there, down to the ground. Everything should be going down in a nice straight line, nice and strong. And if you're just an absolute weapon, up onto your toes, feet about hip width if you like, shoulders stay in your hands stay in that same position. When you're doing a push-up, make sure that your chin is tucked in. You don't want your head to meet the ground before your chest. So, double chin, nice strong position, chest to ground, in a nice straight line. So key things to look out for, make sure that your hips aren't sagging and you're flopping onto the ground. If you feel like you need to do that, you need to take it back to your knees. Another common mistake is hips up too far and just going chest down. It's cheating. So bring everything into a nice straight line. If you feel like you can't get your chest to the ground, then you can use a drink bottle just to be able to gauge your depth. Try and use it consistently over the whole time that you're doing them, so you can actually track if they're getting easier or not. So just place it under your chest and make sure your chest can meet the bottle. And then work towards hitting the ground. Have fun over the next 2 weeks, and I look forward to seeing you all jacked again.